This video explains how IP multicast addresses are assigned to the different streams of the signal generator. Matrox VERO can generate several independent SN streams on each of its output channels. Each of those streams needs a multicast address unique to it. So how are these addresses configured? There are several ways to do it. Let's start with the simplest one. If you look at any of the factory default profiles, you will notice that they all show a network auto setting. And when you enable the channel, each of the individual streams show a different IP multicast address. This is the simplest way to do it. VERO automatically assigns the multicast addresses. What if you don't want those to be the default addresses? There is a setting where you can define which one will be used. Here, you can define for each channel and flow the primary and secondary IP addresses as well as the respective ports. What if you want to set a particular address for a specific profile? Well, you can edit the profile, change the setting to a manual mode, and enter the address and port you want. You can also enable or disable the secondary stream or redundancy. You can even change the format on the fly. From the Signal Generator tab, edit an active profile and change the parameter. As soon as you tab out of the input control, it will be applied. The final option is using the NMOS ISO5 API. That will be covered in a separate video.